This is nucleus. Are you able to see? So here you can see this. This is nuclear membrane. This outer covering. This is nuclear membrane, and this is nucleolus. What happened? Okay. I muted many times. Hmm. So here, this is prominent, well-defined nucleus. You can see in this picture. Here, inside this this fiber-like structures are there. That is DNA or genetic material. This one, and here, this is nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane. This is nucleolus. This is nucleolus. This is inside. This is whole nucleus. This is whole nucleus, and this is nuclear membrane. This is DNA. These are nuclear core. This is nucleolus. So this is well defined structure of nucleus. Now I'll show you a primitive nucleus also. This is eukaryotic nucleus. This is eukaryotic nucleus. I'll show you the primitive nucleus also. Wait a minute. Yes, here. Look at here. Is this visible? This okay. And try to keep yourself mute when you want to say, then only unmute yourself, otherwise it disturb the class a lot. Please. So this is actually the prokaryotic cell. This is the structure of bacteria. So here you can see this this structure. See, this is the DNA or genetic material, and this is just embedded in the cytoplasm. Just look at here. It's not having the nuclear membrane or proper envelope around it. As I shown you just now, the eukaryotic nucleus, in that a proper nuclear membrane is there. Here you can see that the nucleolus is also not there, and the nuclear membrane is also not there. This is the actually the DNA. This is This is the DNA, and just it is embedded in the cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm, a gel-like structure, and in that, and these this is genetic material that, or DNA, that is actually embedded in it. It is not having the proper nuclear boundary around it, or nuclear membrane or envelope around it. So this type of nucleus is known as prokaryotic. Yes. Alaikum Assalam. Who's this? Now you join the class. Now you join the class. I want to ask something. So this is the now. Have you understood that what's the difference? Now have you understood what difference? Let me say, and then you also got. Means I'll ask you what you want to say. So first, I just means few of the students are asking about prokaryotic and eukaryotic nucleus. I have shown you the pictures of both eukaryotic nucleus and prokaryotic. So now have you understood or not? If there is still some confusion regarding what? Say again. Again, you want. So have you understood prokaryotic cell? Just now I have shown you that eukaryotic also. So you have not understood with that. This is this is the cell. In this, these are the I told you the cell organelles. Means in eukaryotic cell organelles are also there. Mitochondria. What is this? Why not you keep yourself mute? So this is nucleus. This is nucleus. These are all cell organelles, vacuole, mitochondria. Yes, endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum. So they are what you can say cell organelles. Just now I told. Why are you using Ira? Why are you using a screen? My screen. This is Ira. Or who's making my screen dirty? Stop doing it. This is Ariba. I will block you on the in the class if you will disturb the class. I will block you if you will disturb my class. Pay attention what I am saying. Ariba, improve now. Hmm. I'm telling. I noted down all the name. The especially Ariba. Okay. So here these are the cell organelles. Mitochondria. This is endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, vacuole, centriole. These all are the cell organelles. Right now we are concentrating on the nucleus because you people are having confusion regarding this eukaryotic. And why you people are started again and again? I told you when you want to say something, then unmute. Am I not audible to you? Am I not audible to you? Am I not audible to you? Yes, I'm not audible to you. Now am I audible? Okay. So these are the cell organelle and right now we have to focus on it. Nucleus means actually you people are confused with eukaryotic and prokaryotic means cell. I already I already zoomed this. It's better you don't touch the screen when I'm explaining you. Instead of disturbing the class, pay attention. That will be better for you. So this is nucleus means here it is the proper nucleus it is. Yes? What do you want to say? So I have shown you both the diagrams, eukaryotic cell as well as prokaryotic cell. Yes?
I think so, ma'am is disconnected.
No, I'm not disconnected. I'm not.
Ma'am is not. Ma'am is zooming in everything. Ma'am is on.
Am I audible or not? Am I audible or not?
I think ma'am has left.
Are?
No. No, she's not.
To everyone, I'm not audible.
She is there.
To everyone, I'm not audible.
Ma'am is in class. We don't shout.
So this is eukaryotic nucleus. And prokaryotic
Yes,
just now I have shown. Now have you understood? Am I audible?
I'm able to hear you. If you have any query, you can ask. Okay, first we will play this game, and after that, I will ask you your question. What are you able to see on the screen? Coming from Ira's mic. Ma'am, tell Ira is the mother. Is your mother? What are you talking about, Afsha? What happened to you?
You tell me. I'm not audible to everyone.
What?
Am I not audible?
Nothing. Don't talk about these things, okay? Ma'am?
Am I not audible?
Ma'am?
Yes. I have to reconnect.
Ma'am?